The first thing we're going to do is to build the two side A-frame pieces. We're going to need 5 lolly sticks, and we'll cut one of them in half. Use the two long pieces to form a cross, and making sure you cross the long pieces slightly lower at the top to form a V shape for the pencil to rest in later. We then glue them together and repeat with the other pieces to create 2 A-frames. We'll then make 2 holes in our piece of cardboard to sit the A-frames in. And this is going to create a strong base. After that, we start work on the trebuchet's arm. So we'll carefully cut 2 small notches on either side of a lolly stick, close to one end, and these will hold the piece of string which we'll attach to our counterweight, which is going to be the AA battery. We'll hang the battery from the notches in the lolly stick. Then on the other end, we unbend a paper clip so it's almost but not quite straight, and attach the remaining flat part of the paper clip to the other end of the lolly stick. We'll take the eraser from the pencil and attach it to a small loop of string. You can use a combination of tying the string, or you might add some of the glue from the hot glue gun. Next step is to cut a small section from a milkshake straw. The problem that you will see we have had here is that our milkshake straw is not quite wide enough. The diameter of the straw is not big enough, so it wouldn't slide in freely. So actually in this example, the straw becomes a complete waste of time. But no matter, we'll carry on. We place the pencil into the 2 V notches on the A-frame pieces, and you can either secure it in place with rubber bands, or you can just rest it on here. And the straw and pencil form a pivot and allow the arm to rotate. We then test our trebuchet, and in a lot of the examples you'll find that the counterweight of the AA battery, when used with conventional lolly sticks, is too long. And so what you could do is to sellotape your counterweight actually to the lolly stick itself. But this is at the point where you need to tinker with it. You need to find out if extending the lengths of your arm could make it better. Increasing the weight of a counterweight, that might make a difference. Adjusting the angle of your hook for your sling with the little eraser in. There are lots of variables to try, and at this point it becomes trial and error to get the best results from your trebuchet. 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Well, hang on, let me put that on.
I cheated because mine wouldn't go, so I hit it.